To Frano British Academy. To solve this, we simply need to change these mixed fractions to improper fractions. So we say 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, that is 5 over 2, plus 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1, 13 over 4. Now divide by what? We are dividing by 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, that is 5 over 2. Now the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. So we say 2 divide 4 is 2 times 5, that is 10, plus bring down the addition sign. So we say 4 divide 4 is 1 times 13 is 13, divide by 5 over 2. So the next step is to add this. Okay, so we say 10 plus 13 is 23 over 4. Now we change this to multiplication, and then we transpose this, it becomes 2 over 5. At this point, we just say 2 divided 5 is 1 and 2 divided 4 is 2. So we have 23 times 1, 23 over 2 times 5 is 10. So the final answer is 10 divided 23, we go 2 times, 2 places, all right, 2 whole number, 3 over 10. And that is the final answer. Please consider subscribing, like the video, and share the video. Thank you.